gonna make some Mother's Day card for the Mother's Day, which will coming up next week, and we're gonna start that. Okay, let's get started. I have a paper cutter. We're gonna make some shamblons. So what we have, this is the profile what we're gonna use. This from metal, and we're gonna use cardboard here. Okay, we're gonna put the cardboard down. And here the shablon, just like this. Put the third wheel on it, and we're gonna press it in the machine with the cardboard, just like this. Do it 3 or 2 times because you want to use all the needle what you're going to use, or just like embroidery, and I'm going to cut the paper just like good. Okay, we done it. This is the size. Okay, we're going to pull the paper. Now you can see what he does. This is what we made, and you can see also all the insides. This is what I said, push it 2 or 3 times, and I made the first one, you can see, just like this. Just push it 3 or 4 times, or you can see the paper, but it is not so made not so many holes, just like this one. Okay, further I marked them on a stencil, and I'm gonna fill them in with a needle and thread, one by one. This is easy the way to compose your thread, and it is, you can see what you're doing on the stencil because we marked it. If you are professional, you can go with counting on your stencil, and each count you can measure it out and you can do that, but this is the easy way. Now see that, just like this. Okay, I finished it now. You can see this is what happened. Okay, I think it's a little bit low. This I'm gonna cut them in the piece. What I'm thinking is about this. I'm gonna round it a little bit up on the edges. Now you can see this is what's came. Okay, this we have now. What we're gonna do is I have here glue strips. Gonna tape this one. I have also here paper. I made a paper just like this, and I fold it over, make a card from it. It is blanco paper with red in color. What we're gonna do is what we made before is gonna tape this one just like here, and I have made letters. And we're gonna fill the letters 3D letters we're gonna do, and we're gonna do also, we're gonna make Mother's Day cards with the letters. Dus I take also this, what I made, dus you can put it letters on this description on the bulb, or you can take the letters here. I made also, okay, we're gonna step the letters from the paper cutting just like this on paper, and yeah, gonna make it just the clouds, also made with the paper cutter, what we use on the card. I'm at the end of the last letter. Oh, there goes my needle. I have a letters here. I use foam and 3D foam. It's foam with both sides with sticker on it. It's easy to use. It's easy to cut. And the cat's going on. That was my cat. Okay. Here we have Mother's Day. Okay, now we have, this is what we have now. Now we can play with the way we're gonna do, just like this. If this is okay, we're gonna tape it on just like this. And we have our Mother's Day card. Okay, this is my final product. We made a Mother's Day card, and thanks for watching. And if you want to subscribe downstairs, thumbs up, and I see you next time. Bye!